What's up, guys? So today, we will be going over. Holy shit! It looks like throw up, but everything makes sense once I'll run that down. This one looks so much more cleaner. But today we caught this trade, um, USD JPY. There's nothing on the euro that I saw. I was waiting. Like I could have taken longs, but really no entry unless we would have entered like at this fair value or something. But no reason to enter. I wanted it to go up here into this daily order block and then, get a reaction off of it, but we didn't really do that. So we definitely want to keep going higher into some other confluence. GJ. We went into this 1 hour order block, like you can see right here. I marked out a 5 minute order block. I was waiting for it to get filled, followed by a break of structure. I think right here, where is it? Yeah, I think. Yeah, probably right here is where I would have entered. I think that was a break of structure. If not, I'll try to find. Yeah, yeah, no. I would have right here stop loss. Let's see if this would hit. Oh, we would have just like barely edged our stop loss, but this would have like consolidated for a good minute. Overall, like we've just been consolidating like for so long. Let me show you guys. I think this is. You can see it really clear on the hourly. No, I think it was the 4 hour. Oops. Let's do. No, it was the daily then. Yeah, all of this, just chop, 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 and then we get this break. Huge break. We want to take these highs, all these highs. Um, but yeah. Anyways, for the trade that we actually took, weekly bearish still, daily bearish still. Um, what I did mark out are, let's see. Because I went long, or I went short. Yeah, I went short on this. Looks like, what did I mark out? Okay. Yeah, it looks like we literally just went into this 4 hour fair value gap. We were, um, oh yeah. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah. Then we have these 4 hour highs. Actually, I actually don't even remember. Oh, okay. So initially, we have this 30-minute high from London session. So, dang. So we open, we sweep all of this, and then we have all these confluences. I was waiting for like a 5 minute order block to get filled, but as you guys can see, just huge tank, no entries whatsoever. I marked out equilibrium, literally everything you could have like imagined. So I was like, you know, missing out this trade wouldn't like affect me too much. So that's why I started going on other pairs. And this one was amazing. This one just in and out, literally, like less than an hour, like 40 minutes. But for this one, we were just waiting patiently. I think, let's see, when was this? Okay, I woke up around like here. Yeah, I marked out everything before I left or no, during, yeah, during pre-market, I was in like because this week is finals, so I had to take third hour finals. So I went into that class, as my first hour. I marked up everything really quick. Actually, no, I couldn't. She told me don't get anything out. It's on paper. So yeah, finished it. Or no, I didn't wake up here. No, I woke up at 6:50 is what I meant. Yeah, right here. Just waiting. We get that sweep. I think I would have already finished. Yeah, I would have finished like right here after this huge candle. So we get that big candle. And then we're just waiting. Nothing ends up like getting retraced. Like equilibrium right here, 5 minute equilibrium. Then move up all the way down, 3 minute order block, 5 minute order block, 3 minute order block, 5 minute inverse fair value. We invalidate this. This is what like initially got my attention. It's like, oh, okay, well, this is the same area as this order block is and this order block. So once we get the retrace and then a breaking structure, that's huge. Like That's signaling us that we want to continue lower into these hourly order blocks that I marked out over here. So yeah, we literally get nothing until, let's see, this was a 5 minute and a 3 minute. No, yeah, wrong. 5 minute, yeah, 5 minute. Oh my God. Oh my God. 5 minute fair value gap right in there. Bang, yeah. So I continue to like mark out every like confluence, fair value gaps and like order blocks until we like tap into this. And then let me get rid of some of these stuff. So then we're just waiting for that break of structure right here. Bang, get it? Shorts, shorts. What we could have done, let's see, because our last take profit was here. Yeah, okay, so what I did is I kept my stop loss at the top of this fair value gap just in case we wanted to come back and like fill more orders. So we enter off of there, and this is right before I started walking to my 4th hour final, so I was like, fuck. And it's like my government class, so that class is usually longer for everyone. Like this one was 50 questions, but I got a decent score on it. I finished relatively quickly with like 50 minutes left of class. But I completely forgot about this. I was just like watching Netflix with one of my friends, and I was like, oh fuck! Like I look at the time and it's like, whoa. But yeah, I checked on my phone first because that was just like the quickest thing I could have done, and I think I checked around like right here, right as we were hitting first take profit. No, wait, let's see this because okay, yeah. So our first take profit would have been like around here. This was a low. Um, so I finished and then I immediately log in. So I was like, whoa, okay, we just hit. We went past our first take profit. So I was like, oh fuck, I'm selling right now. I didn't want to be greedy and hold all the way to second, so I just sold that. Yeah, and then we just kept waiting until this guy hit. And coincidentally, like at 10 was when we had I think it was CPI, no PMI, yeah PMI. Um, it's kind of like a coincidence. Like, oh, okay, well, we go all the way down into this order block at the same time that we have PMI, and yeah, we fill more orders and bang, like it's just huge, like 1 minute candle. Like, where are you? Yeah, it was just insane. I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad I sold out because my limit order wasn't like getting filled around here. Like it tapped first right here, right? This candle, this red candle right here. And then it goes up. I was like, fuck. I'll just wait for it, you know. And then I had my stop loss right here. This would have been like an invalidation of like a 3 minute fair value. So I had my stop loss there. It's like, oh, it'll just come back down. And then yeah, we were just waiting for 10 a.m. news. I was like, oh, okay, well it's 9:59. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna manually sell. But yeah, you can see it's like started going up again as well. So I sold. You can see that little arrow. Let's try to make it bigger. That little arrow right there that pops up. Bang, right there, sold. Let me show you guys. Account history, bang. So sold first for first take profit right here. This was way more than like a 1-to-1. This is a 1-to-2. I sold that 1-to-2, and then our second take profit was at a gosh, I don't know, like a 1 to 2.5. 1 to 2.4. So we saw that, and end of the day with 148 plus 97 with 245. Too easy. Way too fucking easy. But yeah, that's basically it. This took so short. An hour and 10 minutes to make $200. Like, and like the rest of the day, just absolutely free. Like literally it felt weird. I was like, I should be doing something, but no, I was done for the day. I feel like that's one of the benefits for trading. Like you're just on the chart for like 2 hours, 3 hours tops, and then after that, you get to do whatever the fuck you want. Like you can go out, you can spend time with your loved ones, um, and it's horrible if you just like stay glued on the charts after you took one trade, because it'll make you see, okay, well, we want to continue higher now that we got this reaction off of that order block. And then it'll make you like take a trade, and you're already like you're really greedy, so it'll just like end up giving you a loss. Like you'll be like, oh, it'll go up. Like I already won today, you know. Okay, you get like a high ego, but yeah, and then I'll run you guys down how I cut this one. So weekly bias. And oh, another thing, we shouldn't be too married to our biases. Another thing, like I just like heavily like learned on, because as like day traders, you want to catch day-to-day moves, not weekly moves. You know, not something that will happen, and like you can't go for like your optimal setup all the time and like wait like several days to just take that one trade per week. Like no, we're day traders. We gotta see okay what the market wants to do, where it's going, and yeah, just where do you think it's not going to go? Um, yeah, so daily as well, we there's this fair value right here. Monday fair value gap, Tuesday fair value gap. But yeah, we had a break of structure on the daily, so okay, we're bullish. We're really bullish. So you know, even if we would have caught shorts, I would have tried to find like some high around, over here, these moves, like 30-minute high, to then target these fair value gaps, and then we continue higher. But that's not happened yet. It looks like we're just slowing down right now. So we'll definitely start heading down. But as for confluences, like, yeah, we had London session low as well, right here. 1 minute or 1 hour equilibrium. We tapped into that 3 minute order block and this 5 minute fair value gap. We respect it like really well. I was like kind of hesitant on to like where to put like my optimal entry point, but after seeing this candle, this hammer candle, you can just see instant reaction, and then so I was like, okay, well if you get a break of structure, well that's where I put it. Stop loss right here. And yeah, we targeted. I think it was, let's see, targeted this high for a 1 to 2.1, then this high. And then we could have targeted something else up here, but this honestly would have been like my last take profit, just because previous data was like way too old. But yeah, this trade would have been so easy, literally. 20 minutes, $200. Like, come on, it doesn't get better than that. Mind you, this is for a 10K account. Imagine, what if we switch our shit to a 50K account, risking one. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make it out soon enough, bro. Like $1,000 in 2 hours. Like, do you guys see how? Like, do you guys realize how insane that is? All you need is a 50K account, and you like today you would have made $1,000 on the day, that fucking quick. For this trade, I would have made. Oh, I gotta change this. For this trade, I would have made 1,200. Like, do you guys see like the potential in this? Just a single 50K account. And now imagine when you like copy trade, you have like, I don't know, say minimum like three 50K accounts, because I think the maximum is around there, 3 or 4 or 5. But let's say you have three, so 1,200 on the day times three accounts that you have. That's $3,600 in like an hour. $3,600 in an hour. Like, do you guys see the potential with all these funded accounts? And then you can like really soon enough, you can move to a 10K live account. So this is just one day. I think there's 252. Let's fact check. 252 trading days per year. How many? Oh, actually, Forex. How many Forex trading days? I already searched this up a while ago. Yeah, 250 times 250. That's almost $1 million. But obviously, we'll be realistic. We'll say we had a terrible year. We had, I don't know, 65% win rate. Oops. 65% win rate for a whole year. Bang. $500,000. I could be doing that at 17. I will be doing that at 17. You guys just like wait for that. It's just really insane. But with like different prop firms, you have to be mindful of like all the rules that they have. So, man, if like they make commission, they'd be making bank, bro. I swear they'll be making bank. But yeah, like I said, just as day traders, you have to see where price wants to go. But like this was so obvious. This is really obvious. We were really bearish, break of structure. I was waiting for us like, oh, okay, well, we completely skipped all over these. And so we want to continue lower. And I'm guessing we want to go into this 1 hour order block to then fill all these, or this 1 hour order block to fill all of these. So I was just waiting to see some other confirmation that can, what's it called? Yeah, that can just like confirm that we want to continue higher or lower. Because obviously after this blue candle, I was like, oh, okay, now we're going back into it, and then we'll get like a better entry. But no, we respect this 5 minute fair value gap, and we get a break of structure on the 5 minute, 3 minute, and the 1 minute. We inverse a 1 minute fair value gap as well. See if I can find it. I deleted it. Let's see if I can find it. Where are you? Bang. Yeah. We invalidate this bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute. There's other 3-minute confluences too, and yeah, really just going to the basics. It literally just like clicks. Everything just clicks, and you can't like sit here and just whine about, oh, well, we just missed all these confluences, so we're not gonna trade. You close the charts. Like, no, you have to see where price wants to go and what it's respecting to then enter. Like for example, for here, we swept London highs. I had 3-minute inverse value. I wanted this to get invalidated, and then this would have also been a break of structure. Order block right here. We tap into it, break of structure, London low, up into London low. Like a quick, like 1-to-1, really quick, like stop loss at this high, 1-to-1, 1 to 1.9. But we didn't. So obviously we want to go into this daily order block, and then maybe we would have found some entry, but we also would have been looking to the left of our chart. If not, and if we see bullish order flow get respected more than bearish, we obviously want to go into some other confluence all the way up here, which I'm guessing we're going to do soon. Same thing with GJ. Oh, would you look at this? I already went over this. But yeah, like I said, just waiting. It was just like chop, 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 bro. Like what is this? Chop, chop, chop. It's like, oh, it's like not really optimal to trade. So I was looking on USD JPY and the euro. But yeah, that's the recap today. It was so obvious where price wanted to go. Like if you guys didn't catch trades today, you're just a horrible trader, in my opinion. Like how are you letting like a 16-year-old be better than you, bro? Like, come on. Like there's just so much trash talk about like the charts right now, like the price action in general. February and like start of March price action. But no, bro, you just don't know how to trade. You don't know how to trade like me, bro. Literally. But that's it for this recap, guys. I'll see if I can somehow, because it's kind of weird. I don't know how to like add this screen recording and then also add like the screen recording. Oh, you know what I can do? Actually, no. I'd want you guys to like be able to switch back and forth, to like where price was and how it was reacting. So I don't know. I'll try to find a way how to connect this and another screen recording, because CapCut is just being weird. So I'll have to find some other, and like the quality is just terrible. Maybe like on YouTube itself, I'll just like upload both of them, and just like chop it up and insert it earlier in like this recap so you guys can see. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I'm actually gonna stay up until 3 in the morning. See if not if we like. Actually, I wish I could. Yeah, I guess I could. Like, I want to see I want to stay up until 3 in the morning to see London session, see how we react. Right now we're drinking this energy drink, Bucked Up White Gummy Bear, White Gummy Deer. Actually, shit's so good. But yeah, I'll be staying up around yikes here because I don't have to go to school tomorrow or Friday, so why not stay up? I still have to take one of my siblings to school and then come back, and I just get to sleep, bro. Like, but yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see if I trade tomorrow, I guess. I don't think we have news. Oh yeah, we do. Unemployment claims. So we'll be waiting for this. And this. No, actually, this wouldn't affect me. I think I'd go to bed like at 4. Yeah, with that being said, guys, I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.